Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you.
Please don't show the room.
Yes, it's okay. I'm gonna do it up close so they don't see your room.
I just cleaned it last night.
Thank you. I just wanna
Wait.
thanks.
Anyway, guys, good morning. This is M3E. Welcome back to another video. I guess we're gonna start off today by saying happy birthday to Mr. Marlson Misao Selefis. Today is his birthday, so please feel free to leave a comment on below and wish him happy birthday. It is 18th birthday. Oh my goodness, this guy's an old guy, but here he is. He is 18. What are you most grateful for and thankful for, mister?
I'm just thankful for life. Thankful for 18 years. Thankful for my family. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone watching. I'm thankful for each and every one of you. And yeah, that's it.
Yes.
Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to you. So yeah, we're grateful for him. Today, everybody in the entire world is celebrating his birthday on Thanksgiving Day. So look at him. He's 18 years old and he is right up there. Look at him. 18. And who are you? This is Mara Enston. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're off to a start on this Thanksgiving morning. Welcome back to another video. Today is a very special day once again because it's his birthday. Not the guy in the back. Who's that, Russian? Oh my goodness, Russian is coming too. I was like, when you came out there, and I was like, what, Russian is coming? We don't even have enough money for his food. And Marlson was so serious. He's like looking at Mars like, oh, is Daddy really saying that? You know I'm just playing, right? Russian, you already know, right? You already know I'm just playing. Yeah. Even last night when I said, come, let's pray. And then they call you and I said, what? Russian too? And then Auntie Lily was like, are you going to say something to him? Because he looks serious. I'm like, he knows I'm just playing. Anyway, all right. Good morning once again. I'm gonna take these boys to. They said they want to go eat, and so especially this one in the middle, Elston. So that's where we're going. I think we're trying to get to go find a spot for that have Hawaiian breakfast. That's what they want. They're all about the locomoco. Yeah. Elston, you want to say something to the vlog? Instant.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Moss.
Yeah. All right. Happy Thanksgiving. All right, so we're gonna go find this spot. Hope everyone is having a great day. Happy gobble. All right. And then we're gonna come back and then. What you guys laugh?
Happy gobble.
Oh, then what should I say?
Happy Thanksgiving.
Oh, we don't say gobble.
No.
No. Do you know what that means? Huh?
No.
You don't even know? Huh?
No, but I never heard that one.
Oh, really?
What turkey say?
Okay, Marlson thought that I was just making up my word. I mean, maybe that's probably not the right way of saying it, but he's never heard of what gobble means. Yeah, you don't know what gobble? I don't even know. I just know that they use that term for Thanksgiving. Yeah, I'm gonna turn it around. Let's see how. All right. Let's see. I hope it's not shaking. I may have to view the footage and see if it's good.
Where's this place? The place at? Where is it at?
set the thing, but I don't want to focus on me. Yeah. It's Patty's egg or something. Egg. Yeah, so for those of you who haven't subscribed to our channel, this is probably a good time. So go out, click on that subscribe button, click on that notification so you don't miss out on any videos uploaded. And once again, there goes the merch. Merch will be posted on the side of the video, so you guys can click on that, check out the merch. Representa. Austin, and it's done. Instant. Your hair needs a haircut. It looks like a mushroom. It looks like a mushroom on another mushroom. What? What'd you say, Mars? Even if it's close, but there's one at home. Huh? Oh, that's the one you're talking about? I don't want that scenery, so it's gonna be like that. Yes. Oh, no, don't focus on me. Mars, can you do this? So it's gonna be on the left, so just look out for it, okay? Patty's something, Patty's egg. $75 restaurant. I hope they're open. But they actually have locomoco. They have Portuguese sausage, and they have what do you call it? They have cereal. Cereal is for and it's done. Instant. I think this is nope. Maybe just a little bit down. I don't remember. I hope it's open. Yeah. I think I like driving around today because it's not busy. Did you guys say happy birthday to Grandma?
Yeah, I told
Yesterday?
her. I told her for the tell.
Alright, let's go. Alright, hopefully this restaurant is open. Did you guys bring tip money? Elston? I hope this is the right place. Oh, why does it look like it's not open? Oh my goodness. Is it open or no? No? How can you not open?
Hours. What's today?
Can you check the can you look at that?
7 a.m. to 2 p.m.
What's today? Thursday?
Uh-huh.
Oh, they're closed on Thursdays.
What?
Look, I don't see Thursday. Oh no, that 7 to 2 p.m. Can you go read that thing if it's... Are you kidding me? Uh-oh. Looks like we're not gonna have some locomoco. No?
It's
No?
closed.
Alright. What about me? Alright, we'll just go and...
Oh, darn.
Let's try to bring back some memories and let's see if we can just go to Chuck E. Cheese.
What?
We're gonna go to Chuck E. Cheese, guys. There's nothing wrong with Chuck E. Cheese. Remember, that's your favorite place?
No.
Oh wait, maybe it's Marson's favorite place. Oh, maybe Ann is it done? All right. We're gonna all decide collectively as a group, as a team today to see what restaurant we're headed to today.
I said we go to King's.
All right. He said King's. We don't have King's over here. All right, maybe McDonald's. All right. Unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable. We have been searching and looking for a place to eat this morning. Unfortunately, we've spent almost 2 hours, guys, right?
Yes.
No, seriously, 2 hours of just driving around, going to the same place, try to come back again to see if maybe they'll have space for us, but no luck this morning. It's been a tough one. Yeah, who's playing music? Anyway,
Babe?
so we finally have a new restaurant. We found one. So yes, we were thinking about should we just call it a day and just go to McDonald's or Burger King or something? But this boy does not give up. He said, no, I want my breakfast. I want my breakfast. Alright, so here we are. Hopefully there's room for us. Hopefully there's room for 5 people with high cholesterol. Yep. Oh, it's a busy store, a busy restaurant. Busy restaurant. Yes, we finally made it. Can I get some coffee, please? Just one.
Just one coffee?
What do you guys want to drink? Thank you. He's excited. He's excited. What do you guys want to eat? Austin, what do you want to eat?
French toast.
What do you want to eat, Marson? Okay. I think I know what I'm getting. Are you excited? He's all excited. Can't wait to get his food. In case if you forgot, help support the family. M3E. I'll get the fairy nut and berry sour, please.
Okay. Anything else?
No, that's it.
How about for you? How do you like it? How do you like it? Over medium, over this, scrambled. How hash brown or pancake? Pancake? Okay, thank you. How about for you, sir?
I'll get the same.
The
Classic.
waffle combo?
Yeah.
Okay. How do you like your eggs?
Scrambled.
Scrambled? You like bacon or sausage?
Bacon.
Bacon? Okay. How about for you?
I'll get the same thing, but no eggs.
No eggs?
Yeah, just bacon.
Okay. Do you want to change for the hash brown? I can change for the hash brown, the eggs. You like hash
Yeah,
brown?
yeah.
Okay.
Yes, please.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome, yes.
Sorry, we don't have
No, you don't want
spam.
that? Thank you. Thank you.
All right, it looks like we're ready. Just waiting on our food, and then yeah, we're gonna enjoy the rest of the day. Just eating breakfast, and then also our Thanksgiving, of course, our Thanksgiving meal tonight.
I have 3.
Other than that, this guy's happy. He's gonna get his breakfast. He's been waiting for 2 hours. 2 hours waiting for his breakfast. Yes, that's his.
I'm coming right back with the waffle, okay? 2 waffles.
Waffle, okay?
Thank you, honey.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And chicken fried steak. You want a chicken fried steak? This is for you, and I got a number to tell it to.
Wait, which one is this for?
Huh?
Oh, I
Who
think.
wanted fried stuff? Oh, I'm so sorry. And this is for you, and I come right back with you.
Yeah. All right. Oh, look at the birthday boy. The birthday boy has it all. Oh, okay. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that, you know. Okay. Okay. Happy birthday, Marlson. Okay. You guys can eat. We already prayed, guys. So, thank you, Lord, for providing. Okay, you guys eat up. What? Hey, be careful. Go easy on that cholesterol and the diabetes. Alright, we're gonna enjoy, guys. I'm waiting for mine. I think mine is just about ready to come out. Yeah. That's, of course. You don't need to be asking me because I'll finish your food. And
Everything is doing good?
yes, thank you very much. And this is mine. Fair enough. Butter and tower. I think that's what it's called. All right. Good.
Don't be too lost now.
I was here. Oh, you were here?
Well, Marlson is almost out. Good thing he ordered a lot, because he's gonna finish it. Marlson, you okay? Wait, you guys ordered the same thing? Hmm? Hey. Put away your phone. Alright, we're gonna eat our food first, guys. Look, so he already finished this one plate. He's moving on, working on the second one. There's a
That's
third
not
one on
mine.
that side. Kudos to Mr. Rawson. Or what do you go by again? Rastaman? Is it Rastaman? Rastaman, okay. Just working on finishing his. And then Mr. Elston Unreal. Oh, Good job, guys. Looks like I'm not wasting my money today. Mars is still working on his, and then mine is almost done. But even though he's already working on his second one, he still asks, "Can I get a strawberry?" Can I get a strawberry? And then he just took one from Mars. That's his second cup of water.
No, it's not. It's my first one. I'm done. I can't take this fool away.
So it looks like he's enjoying his day today.
No, happy. I'm done. Well, I enjoyed my time.
Huh?
Yeah, just kind of.
He actually took my food. Now he's
I did
working on my
not.
food.
Oh, you guys just set me up. I'm done. I don't like this bully. That's not my go-to. I don't like the banana taste. Of course.
Huh?
We're gonna walk out, and I'm gonna walk back in for lunch, and I'm gonna sit right there.
For what? You gonna walk out and come back and what?
For lunch, I'm gonna sit right there. I'm not gonna ask for the same thing.
Oh. So Elston, thank you, Elston. Wait, why did you put all your money? Elston decided to help Daddy to put down tip for our meal. So thank you, Elston. Thank you. The food was good.
Thank you.
Everybody enjoyed it. It looks like they enjoyed it because they finished all their food. Yeah. Especially the birthday boy. So maybe we can ask since you have a full staff today, we can ask everybody to come out and sing for this birthday boy. Anyway, back to what I was saying. Elston decided to help me put the tip for today. So thank you, Elston. Thank you for helping out Mr. Birthday Boy to pay for your tip. So thank you.
Thank you, Austin.
Marlson, did you enjoy your food?
You need a box?
No. I think we're good.
I can take this when you're ready, okay?
Here.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Anyway, we want to say thank you guys. We'll continue this vlog tonight, of course, with our Thanksgiving dinner with family. But I think that's going to be it for now. We just want to take you guys along on this journey with celebrating this birthday boy's 18 years of living on this planet. So thank you guys. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that, and then come back and watch the rest of the vlog. All right, peace out. All right, time to go home. Yes, we're grateful for this morning breakfast, and we are heading home to get stuff ready for tonight. So thank you, Marlson, for breakfast. Rosin, thank you for breakfast. Elston, thank you for breakfast. Mars, thank you. And we'll see you guys later. All right. Are you guys full? Huh? You guys are still hungry? Okay. All right. Did you guys enjoy your breakfast? Huh? And then we're just waiting on our Thanksgiving meal tonight. Yeah, let's go home so we can help Mommy clean up the house. before she gets home. Alright?
Yeah, we'll think about it.
I have to clean our car. I have to do vacuum.
Daddy, getting mom.
I can get mom. Yeah. Where are you? Russian, did you enjoy your meal?
Yeah.
Yeah? Austin? Yes?
Thank you.
Mars? What about you, birthday boy? Huh?
Yeah.
18 years. Wow.
Yes.
You're making me look old, man. If I remember, I'll probably put up some pictures like over here. Pictures of you when you were a cutie baby. A cutie choppy baby. Nope. Don't
You
ever
should've
run the
went.
yellow lights. Don't run yellow lights.
Hey.
You don't want this guy to be ending up in jail on his birthday.
Oh yeah.
With that hairstyle?
Huh?
Let's listen to some music. Let's sing, everybody. Let's sing. You guys sing? You have to sing. We're back. We're back to the continuation of the vlog tonight.
I don't think I can eat.
We're starting off in the restroom, showing off this guy's haircut because I'm telling you, he said,
my goodness.
Marlson, you cannot be getting a bad haircut on your birthday. Why? How come you didn't get a haircut?
Cause I already showered.
Hey, what
Huh?
I already showered before.
So you showered, and what makes you think your hair looks good like that?
I didn't see my hair look good.
Okay. Happy Thanksgiving, Abby. Carter? My goodness, Carter. You are tall. Happy Thanksgiving. What? Happy Thanksgiving. Oh, I think I'm gonna take this one. I'm gonna take that one for me. For me.
I don't think I can. I don't think I got it.
Can you put mine in the freezer? Put mine in the freezer. Yeah. Just put it on top. No. Just put it fun. Isa pa ni Philippine. Para dito. Hey, happy Thanksgiving. Else then again? Big Christ too? Oh, what's this? What's this? What's this? What is this? Pork?
Happy birthday to you. Okay, let's sing one more time. Uncle Sento. Okay? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Uncle Sento.
And Jermaine to you. Blow the candle. Come on, Ben.
Okay, next one. Next game. Hey.
You rock, dude.
Can you turn on the light? Happy birthday, Jermaine. Jermaine, happy birthday. Jermaine, it's your birthday. Atirating ka. Turn on the light. Hey. Happy birthday. What, is it not your birthday? No. No?
Oh, come on! What are you missing for?
What's this? How do you do it?
I'm gonna.
Thank you.
Oh, so you just put
How
it
do you do this?
Oh, so here's the prices: $5 clips, pumpkin roll,
Can you say your piano?
How do you use
Antiaris, Janice, Antiaris, Kamara, Celine, Meta.
Apple and lemon. Oh, done? Amen. What's it called? Well, I'm grabbing, but I don't know what these are.
You have to explain. What kind of game is this?
I don't know.
So you just throw whatever in, and then everybody grab it. I think your drink is.
Oh! He's drinking the carpet. That's good. Con my posterior. I didn't open it, but it's okay. Are you going again?
Music.
I'm so sorry. I'm not.
Can you put the napkin to soak it up?
I was just like, I didn't know this is how it's. Yeah, I told her she was confused when she was telling me. Next. She was confused when she was. I didn't know how.
What do you do?
Whose turn? Because I already did 2. I already did 3. Hello, I already did 3, and I put $50 each.
Ooh, I like this one.
One here.
One for 60.
No one wants mercy.
What's this?
So you just throw it in and then you guys
You guys,
grab whatever. Race.
yeah, I'm just being nice by giving away mine. You're what? It's so. Yeah, it's okay.
You're not playing that game?
Yokwe, what you doing?
Oh, that's good.
Thank you. Oh my gosh. Well, I didn't know that we can do big things. Who's next? Celine.
Well, it looks like you brought the real excitement there.
Yeah. Good job, Meta.
That's messed up.
I don't know how to do it because I just put it in. Okay, you want a challenge? We do it again in Christmas. Yeah.
Challenge! The challenge is on.
Okay. Whoa, that's all my money.
Sorry.
I spent like $90 on those.
Whose money is that?
My mom.
Can I borrow?
You want me to go? How many go?
Can I borrow? Can I borrow? Say yes. Yes.
Please be gentle.
Gentle. Oh my goodness.
Meron natin sorry. Which one? Oh, for you girls because you
Alright,
guys
and
tired.
Dilili is not qualified to play that game. She just gives everybody the chance to like.
No, I just gave it away. Here,
If that's me playing,
That's
you will not even stand a
I got
chance.
the
I will
small
just
one.
take everything.
here, you guys. There's 2 more.
You guys grab it.
Oh. I mean, if you guys don't want to.
Yeah. Which one did you get? What are these?
Wow, who came up with this game? I think I like it. I want to
Yeah, you guys can play man. Tell you when.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Wow, Kamara, you're really going all out. And
What
you
is
go
this?
to
Wow,
juke?
You're gonna have big lips.
You don't need.
By the time you go to juke, you're not going to eat fish.
He said I don't need. No, I don't need that one. I have mine. Yeah, we're done.
Whoa.
Why, Kamara? Where do you work? Can we?
She's like grabbing the stomach shine.
What's this on your
Okay. Nice. Wow. Oh wow. Those are my drinks.
Everything. That's yours.
Thank you. All right. Yes, I'll take that. I've never tried this one, but I'll try it. I drink sparkling water, so that's good. Oh! Oh my goodness, Marshall always taking the lead now. You're really taking.
Wow, thank you, madam.
What is this?
Okay, let's show
I'm smelling it. Okay, everybody put here.
Are you trying to bring Shan to the family? Like, she's really taking. Stop getting the game here.
I got money. $50. Yeah. Don't show. They might.
I got pumpkin roll.
I got these.
All right, I'll take this one.
And a nice blanket.
Thank you so much for my blanket.
I got this one. Thank you very much. It's all about looking after the money right here.
My bag.
Going after the money. And I'm gonna hand it to mommy. That's for you. Thank you.
Oh, tisa for sabat plate. I'm going to Hawaii.
Oh,
I'm going to Hawaii first.
Yeah, this is what these are Jenny.
oh, that's for Janice.
Oh,
You're funny.
Here. This is my
and
blanket.
the blanket.
And the blanket.
Nakarami.
Oh, these are for Jenny.
Thank you.
Jenny, this is yours. So it's like Christmas.
Wow. Bring yours on the plate. I know.
Yeah,
You can wear your new
So-
earrings.
Which one did you
Take
get?
over.
Looks like Meta plate is gamer.
Sissy, you got yours?
Yeah, go here.
Oh. Okay. Okay. Next time you bring the Nike, okay? Yeah? Bring the whole store. Yes.
I don't know who made it. Ilario, I said, come put this in my room.
What you get? What you get?
Oh my God,
Huh?
this is so
Blanket. Okay.
I'm going to Hawaii because we're going to do this again.
So it looks like what do you call it? Kamara and what's your name again? I'm sorry. Meta?
Yeah.
Are you the one that came out with the thing on Facebook? The Meta AI?
Here. I thought it was metal.
What, Marlson? I really thought she came up with that.
Oh, AI.
No, Meta, you really did good. Your stuff were good. It brought more excitement to the game. And then for you, Kamara, I feel sorry for you, but when you go to Chuk, you're gonna be broke. You're gonna be eating fish. No more chicken for you when you go to
Oh
Chuk.
my, I'm working.
And then of course, Celine, what did you bring? What you brought to the table?
I brought the
Where'd you get that?
Oh wait, Velma, you didn't take part?
No, I did.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, you were just too quiet.
Pick up some, go to Hawaii, pick up my metal.
yeah, me too.
Okay. Wait.
Okay, this is it. I think I like this game. Next time maybe the boys will be part of it.
Wants to chill.
Very good, very good. Oh, your shirt looks so nice. Where'd you get the shirt from?
Thank you for the $5.
Boring.
Which earrings did you guys get? Which one did you get?
Sorry about the mess.
So guys,
Thankful for family. Happy birthday, Marlson. That's it.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Just kidding, but this is the end of the video. I just want to give thanks to the Most High for everything, for the things in front of me, for my family, for my house, for just blessing me with a lot of things. Most importantly, blessing me with another year of life. 18th birthday. So I just feel thankful. I'm blessed. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone watching. I love y'all. Y'all be safe. Keep God first. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Turn on post notification bell so you can get notified every time we upload. See you guys in the next one.
Have you done this before?
All right.
Happy Thanksgiving!
Okay.